Ladies and gentlemen, the two contenders for the fourth match of the quarterfinals. In the red waistband we have Mr. Atuo Tevo. His opponent in blue waistband we have Mr. Hulüyi Vadeo. The wrestler in red waistband, Atuo Tevo, is the son of Tevo. He hails from Kidima village, age 23 years, weighing 98 kilograms, standing 5 feet 10 inch tall. His opponent, the son of Pfütsero Vadeo, hailing from Zagrabami village, age 20 years, weight 91 kilograms and standing 6 feet. He is Mr. Hulüyi Vadeo. With the decisions given by the referee, the first bout goes in favor of the wrestler in red waistband, Atuo Tevo.
Ma urug tani With the decisions given by the referee, the second bout goes in favor of Mr. Hulüyi Vadeo. With each wrestler winning each bout, we should proceed to the third bout. the third decision is given by the referee. The third bout goes in favor of the wrestler in blue waistband, Mr. Hulüyi, declaring the winner of the fourth matchup.